boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar, KAROL G. Think we had her before here on Go On Guitar. I'm not sure, but anyway, EX TENÍA RAZÓN, and I pretty much butchered that name anyway. This is not my language, but I know people would like to learn this kind of songs here, so I give this for all you guys. And usually they're pretty easy to play. One chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song, and this is no exception from that. We have 5 different chords, all right? 5 different chords and one strumming pattern to learn here, and that's it. So we'll need to start with capo here on the 3rd fret to have the best chords possible for this, and we will look at the chords starting with C major 7, okay? A lot of 7s here in this song. So C major 7 is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. So this is the grip. All right, C major 7. Then we have the A minor 7, and what you do here, you go and keep this finger here, the 2nd on D, and just add your index finger on the 1st B string. Very easy transition there, all right? So just let it go, and then you will get open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that's your A minor 7. And then you go to the A7, and what you do there, you're still keeping the 2nd fret on the D string, and just add the 2nd fret on B string. All right, so that is open A, 2nd D still, open G, 2nd B, and open E. So that's your A7. Now you have the D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And what I do with the last 2 strings there, the B and the E string, I just place a short little bar there to cover the 1st frets of the both strings, so I don't have to go like this. All right, so just a bar with my index finger on the last 2 strings, the B and E, and then the 2nd fret G string with my middle finger. So there you have the D minor 7, and then the final chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And this is how the chords comes in that order we just looked at them. So C major to the A minor to A7, D minor, and G. All right, so that's how you do it. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern starting with C major 7. So I'll grab that chord, and one round will be down, down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, up. Okay, and if you feel that it's more convenient to go with down in the last touch there instead of up, you can do that as well. And normally we go up here in the last one, but anyway, it's up to you. If you feel more, if it's more natural for you to go down the last one, then do that. But anyway, that is the strumming pattern, and I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds with the strumming here to get the feeling for the rhythm, because that is very important in songs like this, to get the feel for the rhythm there. So a couple rounds will sound. Right, so that's how it goes, and you're gonna play the C major 7 2 rounds, the A minor 7 1 round, the A7 1 round, the D minor 7 2 rounds, and G 2 rounds. And that's it. It goes round and round in the same way. So a couple rounds of it sounds. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Karol G's song. I'm not gonna mention the title because it's wrong anyway, but yeah, this is the song. Give it a try guys. Until next time, play tuned.